I see you. Looks like you need a wash too.
The new generation Scorpio.
The Mahindra Scorpio, Hindi, is a mid-size SUV in the Indian market and compact SUV in the global market, manufactured by the Indian automaker Mahindra and Mahindra since 2002. It was Mahindra's first model to be built for the global market. The Scorpio was conceptualized and designed by the in-house integrated design and manufacturing team of Mahindra and Mahindra. The car has been the recipient of 3 Indian awards, including the Car of the Year award from Business Standard Motoring, as well as the Best SUV of the Year and the Best Car of the Year awards, both from BBC World's Wheels 3. Development. Prior to the mid-1990s, Mahindra and Mahindra was an automobile assembly company. The company manufactured Willys Jeeps in its minor modified versions, with modifications carried out in India. In 1996, the company planned to enter the SUV segment with a new product that could compete globally. Since M&M did not have the technical know-how to handle such an ambitious product, they devised an entirely new concept among Indian auto companies. Roping in new executives who had worked in the auto industry in Western countries, such as Payman Goenka and Alan Durante. The new Mahindra Scorpio SUV had all of its major systems designed directly by suppliers, with the only inputs from Mahindra being design, performance specifications, and program cost. The design and engineering of the systems were carried out by suppliers, as well as testing, validation, and materials selection. Sourcing and engineering locations were also chosen by suppliers. The parts were later assembled in a Mahindra plant under the Mahindra badge, being a well-known brand in India. Using this method, the company was able to build from scratch a new vehicle with virtually 100% supplier involvement from concept to reality, at a cost of Rs 600 crore, $120 million, for including improvements to the plant. The project took 5 years to move from concept to final product. The cost was estimated in 2002 to be Rs 550 crore. MHawk engine. The MHawk diesel engine is a VTG turbocharged and intercooled 4-cylinder that displaces 2.2 liters. It has a 85 mm x 96 mm, 3.35 in x 3.78 in, cylinder bore and piston stroke. The engine delivers a power of 140 PS, 138 bhp, 103 kilowatts, and produces 320 Nm, 236 lb-ft, of torque. A Bosch common rail direct injection system with solenoid injectors is used. The MHawk is equipped with chain-driven overhead camshafts and hydraulic lash adjusters. Its compression is epsilon equals 16.5, 18.5, depending on the model. Mahindra Scorpio Getaway Pickup, pre-facelift. Mahindra Scorpio Getaway Pickup, pre-facelift. The Mahindra Scorpio was first launched in India on June 20, 2002. Soon after its success, the Mahindra Scorpio was later received a minor update to include plush seats, rear center armrest, dual-tone exterior color, and various minor changes. Mahindra Scorpio pre-facelift, rear. Mahindra Scorpio pre-facelift, rear. The vehicle was sold in Europe as the Mahindra Goa with first sales in Italy in 2003. In 2006, Mahindra announced that Scorpios sold in Russia will be made as kits with a joint venture partner. First facelift, 2006-2009. Mahindra Scorpio first facelift, front. Mahindra Scorpio first facelift, front. In April 2006, Mahindra launched the first facelift of the Scorpio, marketed as the all-new Scorpio. At the Auto Expo 2006 in Delhi, Mahindra also showcased their future plans on the Scorpio model by showcasing a hybrid Scorpio with a Ciarta engine and a Scorpio based on a pickup truck. The hybrid, the first such vehicle developed in India, was developed by Arun Jura, a former employee of Ford. His senior, Pawan Goenka, a former engineer at GM, heads Mahindra's automotive division and oversees the Scorpio project. A pickup truck version of the Scorpio was launched in India in June 2007, known as the Scorpio Getaway. On September 21, 2008, the Scorpio was updated with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Second facelift, 2009-2014. Mahindra Goa 5-door, export model of Scorpio, front. Mahindra Goa 5-door, export model of Scorpio, front. The second facelift of the Mahindra Scorpio was largely cosmetic, with key changes including the headlight housings, bonnet and bumper designs. There were also minor increases in power and torque. Mahindra Scorpio second facelift, rear. Mahindra Scorpio second facelift, rear. On April 14, 2009, Mahindra revealed a concept of a diesel-electric hybrid version of their Scorpio SUV at the 2008 SAE World Congress. The Mahindra Scorpio Getaway was launched in Australia in mid-2009, marketed there as the Mahindra Pickup. It received additional safety features compared to the Indian model, such as ABS brakes and airbags in an attempt to raise its rating to a minimum of 3 stars from the current 2-star NCAP rating. The 2012 model scored 6.6 points out of a possible 16, giving it a 3-star NCAP rating. Mahindra Scorpio second facelift, front. Mahindra Scorpio second facelift, front. Third facelift, 2014-2022. The Mahindra Scorpio received its facelift on September 25, 2014, featuring a redesigned front and rear fascias and a new dashboard. 14A revised automatic variant of the Scorpio was launched in 2015 and automatic transmission was discontinued in 2018 due to the launch of the Scorpio S11. Mahindra Scorpio third facelift, front, S11. Mahindra Scorpio third facelift, front, S11. Mahindra Scorpio third facelift, rear, S10. Mahindra Scorpio third facelift, rear, S10. Mahindra Scorpio Classic, 2022 present. The current generation Scorpio will continue at the name of Scorpio Classic in 2 variants, which is S and S11. Mahindra also launched the Scorpio Classic in India on August 19, 2022. 15 The new Mahindra Twin Peaks logo, reserved for sport utility vehicles, is used, thereby replacing the old logo. Safety. The Scorpio for India with no airbags and no ABS received 0 stars for adult occupants and 2 stars for toddlers from Global NCAP in 2016, similar to Latin NCAP 2013.16. The next generation of Scorpio was introduced on June 27, 2022 by Mahindra Group. The prices for the same were first revealed on July 21, 2022 and bookings were open officially on July 30, 2022. It carries an N badge and is named Scorpio N. There is a complete overhaul in design, and the size of the new SUV is larger than its previous avatar. The petrol powertrain is 2.0-liter turbocharged, churning out 203 PS, 200 HP, 149 kilowatts, power and 370 Nm, 273 lb-ft, 38 kgm, torque. The diesel powertrain comes with 2 states of tune, one churning out 132 PS, 130 HP, 97 kilowatts, power and 300 Nm, 221 lb-ft, 31 kgm, torque and another 175 PS, 129 kilowatts, 173 HP, power and 400 Nm, 295 lb-ft, 41 kgm, torque, 380 Nm for manual variants. The SUV is also equipped with a shift-on-fly four-wheel drive system. The Scorpio N comes with the same engines as the DAR and the XUV 720. The cosmetics changes consists of DRL placed with the fog lamp instead of headlights. The Scorpio N is offered in 6 and 7 seat layouts. It will have an 8-inch infotainment system powered by Sony Audio with dual-zone climate control, 4xPLOR 4x4 and an electric sunroof. The Scorpio N was also launched in Australasia alongside with XUV 700 in 2023. The Scorpio N will be launched in North America and the Middle East alongside with XUV 700 in 2024 and other electric models in the 2027. In February 2024, Mahindra achieved the milestone of hitting 100,000 production mark since the launch of Scorpio N. Mahindra Scorpio N's reliability issues. A video of Mahindra Scorpio N went viral in the month of March 2023, where the owner of the SUV took the car under a waterfall and water started entering his Scorpio N from the sunroof. This resulted in a social media debate. Safety. India. The Mahindra Scorpio N was rated 5 stars in adult safety and 3 stars in child safety by the global NCAP under its new protocol in H2 2022. Based on Latin NCAP 2016. If you like this video, please like, comment about your thoughts on this, subscribe and click the bell icon for further notifications.